Let's jump right in with the 10 tips to increase your revenue as a paint contractor. And number one of the most crucial, I've done plenty of shows about niches, but the number one thing you can do to increase revenue as a paint contractor is to specialize in a niche. A lot of people think painting is one of those things. We run into it with clients all the time. Hey, I can just paint the walls myself. Don't quote painting. We'll handle the painting part. Well, we don't even offer that. If they're not going to let us paint because of the results of, unless they're a professional painter, then we'll let them do it. But paint puts the finishing touches on most work, and so it's super critical. You want to specialize in a niche because if you're just a general painter, that's fine. You can probably get by with painting any and everything in residential and commercial applications, but the education piece in painting is so critical. And also, there are just going to be things that you're better at that once you start to paint those things and figure out, I like this, I enjoy it, I'm more passionate about this specific niche, then you're going to do a better job, and then you're going to become known for doing that specific type of work, and your referrals and leads and people calling you, honestly, is going to be endless, because once you're known for something, then you can definitely make your way in our industry. Identify things, so markets, right? There's specialty markets, there's residential, there's commercial, industrial. So all of those require different level of knowledge and different level of coding, different level of application, different things like that. Once you figure out what you want to do as far as what specialty area